How to create a vector in Photoshop. So this is the photo that I have opened, and if I want to create vector, I will show you the following steps. Now first of all, you can basically, as you can see that this is the pink background, so it can basically show some artifacts in the future. So first of all, I will change this to maybe white. First of all, I will select magic eraser tool and select this. I'll select, first of all I will like this option here, my subject here. I'll select inverse. So as you can see that this all area has been selected. Magic eraser tool, and that is gone. So I will deselect this. Now what I'll do, I'll select this paint bucket tool, select the white color, and I will simply paint here. So as you can see that this has been created. Now I will make a copy of layer, Ctrl J. Now I'll go to filter. Now you have to play around with these options. First of all, I will select this stylize and oil paint. Now I have to see that what is going on with this. Seamless, crystal detail. You can play around with this. Okay, now again what I'll do, I'll select another option like diffuse and isotropic. So it has been done. So it is basically changing the picture a little bit. Now what we'll do is, the main part is we'll go to this filter gallery and we'll select this fit in view. So as you can see, it is here. Now you've got a lot of options. Let's say I will select dry brush. It is applying here, as you can see. So as you can see that vector has been created. So you can basically play around with these options. So I will select basically cut out here. That was looking good. Now you can also play with this. Let's say if I will change this to 8. Yeah, this has been changed. So we will make it 4. So you can see that the vector has been created. So this is how to in easy way create a vector in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.